Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial. Today in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you that how to make this structure. You can see this is the wood part, this part is wood, and this is rubber, and this is concrete. At the end of this video tutorial you will be able to make this type of structure in Abaqus simulation. You can see the results. Let's move it big. So let's start from part module. First of all, you would like to create this wood part, and this is very easy and simple. You can simply uh, click on create part, and then select 3D and deformable and solid extrusion, and then continue. So you can create the geometry of that model. Let's me open it here. So you can see this geometry here. Draw simple this geometry and then simply click on done. And after that, let's specify the depth is 20 mm. So okay, now you can see this is wood part. This is created. And second part is let's say this is we can consider this as a concrete or wood part. So this is also very simple for to create this. We would like to create on create part, and then we would like to create on second option here, and then we 3D model deformable solid, and then simply continue. And now we would like to draw simple arc here. So let's suppose I draw this arc here. This is first point, second point, and then let's suppose click here, and after that click line and simply click here. Uh, Now press click on done, and the degree of revolution should be 360 degrees, so it will become complete. So you can see this. This is a ball type, and the third is you can create this part same as to. We can create this part using sweep command. So we would like to create on continue and sweep, and then we will define this lines, the sweep path, and after that we would like to create this part. You can see this is a little bit wider than this line, so it would be created by using extrude solid extrude. So we can create by them, and we can also create this part by extrude, and then we would like to use to different shapes. We can create that by using cut extrude. So you would like to use them and create this part. This is also very simple. After that, we would like to come to property module. We would like to create some materials, and then we would like to assign that material to the different parts of the structure. So first of all, I would like to create wood material. I have already created this wood properties. You can copy and paste in your structure. So you can say the density is you can say the density of the wood is 700 kg per cubic meter, and also the elastic property is Young's modulus is 10,000 megapascal, and Poisson's ratio is zero point 0.3. And also the rubber properties is also shown here. You can see the density of 1200 kg per cubic meter, and hyperelastic properties is also assigned here. You can assign here from mechanical properties, and in elasticity elasticity, and in hyperelastic properties you can assign. You can put these properties in your model, or you can put your own properties accordingly. So simply okay. And after that I would like to create two sections or three sections. So click for that, click on this create section, and then rename the section, and then continue. Let's suppose this is wood rubber. uh, let's consider this is rubber properties, and then simply okay. Now this section is created for three rubber, wood, and concrete. Three sections are created, and after that I would like to simply click on assign section. Simply click on assign, and then select the uh, part, and then simply click on done, and then select the uh, properties which you already created. So let's suppose this is rubber. I would like to select rubber properties and then simply OK. Now we can see there is twice material properties are assigned. So let me delete them. Now again I would like to assign material properties here, done, and this is rubber. So in the same manner you would like to create this is wood, so you would like to assign wood material here. Let's suppose I select this part and then select wood section, and I will assign the wood section to this part. Now after creating the material and assigning the sections to the different parts of the model, now we would like to come to assembly module. You can see this model is assembled here. So this is very simple and easy. We can see that how to assemble this model. Let's delete or suppress these parts. So first of all, click on this instance. Create instance, and then let's select this part 1 and apply, and then part 2, or let's part 3 and then OK part 3. And now I would like to come to here and rotate this rubber part. So for that, simply click on rotate and select this part and then click on done. And now specify the axis. Let's rotate it on x-axis, so the rotation degree would be 90, so that is rotated. So again I would like to rotate it on x-axis, and let's again select it and rotate it on 180 degree. Now you can see it is rotated, and now let's move it to this position. So for that, simply click on translate instances. Just simply click on this and then click on done. And now let's specify the center point is let's move and specify this is base point, and after that come here and click at this at the center of this circle, so it will move here. Now you can say it is placed, and simply click on done. And after that, let's come to second part and the concrete part. So simply OK, and then cancel it. One thing you should note, come to part module, and part 2, you can see this here part different partitions are created. So you should also create these partitions because these are very important for mesh purpose, and also you will be able to move or translate this part to specify the base point. Let's suppose this is center point and this is another center point on the left side. So you, based on that, you can create. For that, you would like to click on this create datum plane first. So simply click on create datum plane. Before I create this datum planes, so let me delete this already created datum planes from the sphere. So let's click on delete feature. So simply select this and then done. Yes, delete this, and then now I would like to delete these two datum planes. So let's delete that planes. Yes, delete them. So after that, I would like to click on create a datum plane. So simply click on it, and now select XY plane first and then 0 0. So simply press enter. Now you can see this datum plane is at the center of vertical center of the sphere. So after that, I would like to create an YZ plane. So again, simple offset distance should be 0 because this is at the center of the datum plane. Now you can see this another datum plane is created on the sphere, and after that again on XZ plane. So again 0 0. Now you can see the datum plane is created, and after that I would like to come here and click on create partition by a datum plane. You can see this partition cell use a datum plane. So simply click on it and select one datum plane and then create partition. Now you can see this is create this is divided by two parts. So again I would like to select this sphere and then click on done, and again I would like to create another uh, this is another divided into two another parts. So again select the sphere and then click on done and select this horizontal plane and simply create part. Now you can see this is created at two different parts. Now the come to assembly module, and now you can say let's me move this part. So for that, simply click on move instances and then select this sphere and then click on done, and let's specify this is my base point. Let's click on this point and then move and rotate, and let's come here and simply click here. You can put accordingly and then simply okay. Now we can say it is the model is assembled. After that, you would like to come to strip module. Only two strips are required, and both should be dynamic explicit. You can see this both strips are dynamic explicit. Let me show them. Both strip 1 is dynamic explicit and time period is 0.05 second, and incrementals are selected by default, and mask scaling is also shown here. So we can do like this. And second strip is also dynamic explicit, and let me show this is also time period is 0.05 second, increments are selected by default, and no mask scaling. You can assign mask scaling using scaling definitions below. So simply click on create and then scale and then select here. Let's see here I have assigned here, that is uh, 4 e power minus 0 c1. So let me show that. And field output request you can assign by, you can leave them by default, so you can assign accordingly. So these are two field output requests are assigned and two st requests are assigned. Both of them are selected by default, so you can select them accordingly, or try to minimize it because it will take time to complete the job. After that, you would like to come to interaction module. So in interaction module, simply click here on create interaction property. So that would be select contact and continue. First of all, you would like to select tangential behavior and mechanical. So tangential behavior penalty and friction coefficient is 0.25, and then mechanical properties in normal behavior is odd contact, so simply okay. So that property is created. Now let me create a general contact for step 1. So let's continue and then select that property, so that is property 1, so simply okay. Now the property is created. And after that, come to load module, and already I have created load. So first of all, you would like to create a gravity load to account the self weight of the model. For that, simply click here and select gravity and select step 1 and then continue. And gravity load is, let's suppose, minus 9810 key millimeter per square second. So simply okay. Now you can see this yellow arrow at the bottom of the model. Now the self weight of the structure is assigned. And after that, you would like to create you would like to consider this part. This is the handle of the model, so this would be pics. So let's me select this. First of all, I would like to delete them. Let's delete all of them. For step 1, you would like to select step 1 and then select uh, uh, the first option and then continue, and let's select this part. Now you can see this is selected and it would be fixed. So let's select this fixed. Now you can see this is fixed. And after that, you would like to create another part, and that would be displacement rotation, and that would should be for step 2, and simply continue and select this ball. Let's click on it and select this ball and deselect this, and let's click on done. And the load should be, let's suppose, minus 300 mm should be apply on it. and the amplitude is selected, amplitude 1, and okay, now you can see the displacement is applied. So you should select the completely the ball. So let me edit it and select this part as well. So let's select this part. Now you can see it is selected completely, so that is assigned. The load is assigned to this part, and after that you would like to come to mesh module. Now you can see the model is meshed here. So let me click here part. So simply click on it, and the mesh size, let's 2.5, yes, okay, and then simply click here and just continue. So you would like to make sure that the sign element is, select this and then click on done. The elementary library, it would be explicit, so simply select it and click OK. Now for first part, you can see normally we this will not mesh, so for that simply uh, click on assign mesh control and select this part and then click on done. So it normally it is not it did, so you would like to select this option here and simply OK. It will meshed. So after that you would like to come to job module and simply create a job. Let's suppose I continue this job 4. So let me create this job and submit the job, and after submission the job you will find the result same as like these results. You can see these results. This is for job 1, and let me show results for job 2. Let's remove this part. Now you can see this. Thank you for watching this tutorial. So please make sure to subscribe the channel.